Grade 11 learners, ready na bang i-test ang iyong understanding sa translational at rotational motion? Tara, grab your notebooks, subukan natin ang exciting Gen Sci quiz na to at alamin kung gaano nakalalim ang iyong understanding. Okay, question number 1. Which quantity describes the change in position of an object? Letter A, velocity. Letter B, acceleration. Letter C, displacement. Letter D, speed. Question number 2. Which SI unit is used for linear velocity? Letter A, meter. Letter B, meter per second. Letter C, rad. Letter D, rad per second. Question number 3. Which Greek symbol represents angular displacement? Select the letter of the correct answer. Question number 4. Angular velocity is represented by which Greek symbol? Choose the letter of the correct answer. Question number 5. Angular acceleration is represented by blank. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Okay, so this is question number 6. Which unit is used for angular displacement? Letter A, meter. Letter B, meter per second. Letter C, radian. Letter D, radian per second. Question number 7. Which quantity has both magnitude and direction? Letter A, distance. Letter B, speed. Letter C, displacement. Letter D, time. Which of the following is an example of rotational motion? Letter A student walking. Letter B, a moving elevator. Letter C, an electric fan blade spinning. Letter D, a car moving on the road. Okay, before we continue answering the next question, can I ask you a small favor? If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a like. Thank you so much and God bless. Question number 9. Which quantity tells how fast an object changes its position? Letter A, displacement. Letter B, velocity. Letter C, acceleration. Letter D, force. Question number 10. Distance differs from displacement because distance blank. Letter A includes direction. Letter B is always zero. Letter C measures the total path traveled. And letter D is a vector quantity. So this is part 2. Question number 1. Carlo rides his bicycle to school every morning. As the bicycle moves forwards, its wheel continuously spins. Which statement best describes the motion of the bicycle? Letter A, only translational motion is present. Letter B, only rotational motion is present. Letter C, both translational and rotational motion occur. Letter D, neither translational nor rotational motion occurs. Question number 2. During a hot afternoon, Anna turns on an electric fan. Which part of the fan exhibits rotational motion? Letter A, the power cord. Letter B, the fan stand. Letter C, the fan blades. Letter D, the switch. Question number 3. A car is traveling along a straight highway going to Legazpi City. Which type of motion best describes the movement of the car? Letter A, rotational motion. Letter B, translational motion. Letter C, oscillatory motion. Letter D, projectile motion. Question number 4. While riding a Ferris wheel at an amusement park, a passenger moves upward, downward, and around the center of the wheel. The Ferris wheel mainly demonstrates blank. Letter A, rotational motion. Letter B, translational motion. Letter C, oscillatory motion. Letter D, projectile motion. Question number 5. While watching a motorcycle race, you notice that the motorcycle moves forward while its wheel rotates rapidly. Which statement is correct? Letter A. Only the motorcycle experiences rotational motion. Letter B. Only the wheels experience translational motion. The letter C. The motorcycle experiences translational motion while the wheels experience rotational motion. Letter D. Both the motorcycle and the wheels experience only the translational motion. Question number 6. During a school robotics competition, a robot moves across the floor while its wheels spin. Which quantity describes the rotation of the wheels? Letter A, distance. Letter B, velocity. Letter C, angular displacement. Letter D, speed. Question number 7. A tricycle driver accelerates from a traffic light. As the vehicle speeds up, the wheels also rotate faster. Which angular quantity is increasing? Letter A, angular displacement only. Letter B, angular acceleration. Letter C, distance. Letter D, time. Question number 8. During a field trip, students observe a wind turbine generating electricity. Which part of the turbine mainly exhibits rotational motion? Letter A, the tower. Letter B, the foundation. Letter C, the blades. Letter D, the electric wires. Question number 9. A grade 11 student says, distance and displacement always have the same value. Which response is the most accurate? Letter A, the statement is always true. Letter B, the statement is true only for circular motion. Letter C, the statement is false because distance is the total path traveled while displacement is the straight line. Letter D, the statement is true when speed is constant. Question number 10, last question. A mechanical engineer is designing a conveyor belt system for a rice processing plant. The conveyor belt moves the sack of rice from one station to another while the roller continuously spins. Which statement correctly describes the motion involved? Letter A, the roller undergo translational motion while the sacks undergo rotational motion. Letter B, both the roller and the racks undergo only rotational motion. Letter C, the sacks mainly undergo translational motion while the rollers mainly undergo rotational motion. Letter D, both the rollers and the snack remain at rest. Select the letter of the correct answer. Okay, so ngayon natapos na natin ng quiz, oras na para i-check ang iyong mga sagot gamit ang answer key na nasa screen. Number 1, the right answer is letter C, displacement. Number 2, letter B, meter per second. Number 3, letter C, theta. And for number 4, letter D. Number 5, letter A. Number 6, letter C. Number 7, C. Number 8, letter C. And number 9, letter B. Number 10, letter C. Okay, let us now proceed with answers on part 2. Number 1, letter C. Number 2, letter C. While number 3 is letter B, translational motion. And number 4, letter A, rotational motion. Number 5, letter C. Number 6, letter C. Number 7, letter B, angular acceleration. And number 8 is letter C, the blades. And then number 9, letter C. And lastly, number 10, letter C. So, before we end, let's have a quick reviewer. Okay? So, tandaan nyo ang mga symbols at SI units dahil madalas itong lumabas sa mga quizzes, sa matin test, at sometimes sa mga entrance examinations. So, i-comment ang yung score sa comment section. So, maraming salamat sa panunood at magkita-kita tayo sa ating susunod na science lesson. Thank you so much and God bless.